Welcome to our channel. How to resolve the hot Wi-Fi pods issue. Unplug it. First thing, just unplug it. Seriously, give it a break for 10 to 15 minutes. Half the time, it's just overheated because it's been running non-stop for months. Let it cool down, then plug it back in. Easy start. Move it out of hiding. Stop shoving your Wi-Fi pod behind the couch or in a cabinet. These things need air. Pull it out, put it somewhere open. Even a few inches of space around it makes a difference. Clean it. Grab a cloth, blow some air through the vents. Dust traps heat, and it adds up. I cleaned one of mine last month. It legit dropped like 10 degrees. Quick and free fix. Reduce device load. If you've got 20 devices hanging off one pod, that's gonna heat it up. Spread the devices out, connect a few directly to your main router. The less it has to juggle, the cooler it stays. Update the firmware. This one's boring, but important. Open the app, check for updates. Manufacturers quietly push patches to make these pods run smoother. Worth the 5 minutes. Use a surge protector. Bad power can make your pod run hot. Plugging it into a surge protector stabilizes things and keeps it safe from power spikes. Cheap insurance. Cooling hacks. Live somewhere hot? Stick a USB fan next to it. Or put it on a laptop cooling pad. Yeah, it's overkill, but it works. I've done it. Limit heavy use. If everyone's streaming 4K Netflix, gaming online, and downloading 100 gigabytes updates at the same time, yeah, it's gonna cook. Try staggering the heavy stuff if you can. Factory reset. If nothing's working, factory reset it. Back up your settings, hold that reset button, and start fresh. It has been observed that overheating pods calm down after a clean reset. Replace it, and if it's old, like 3 or 4 years old, it might just be dying. These things don't last forever. Save yourself the stress and grab a new one. Done. Thank you for watching.